Today, the buzzword is regenerative medicine, which includes exosomes. We are trying to regenerate and repair the damaged cells instead of. Exosomes are nanovesicles which carry protein molecules. They carry instructions, and of course, when added with growth factors to execute these instructions, the results are far better. Stem cells extracted from your own tissue. Regenerative aesthetics, stem cells and exosomes. Today, the buzzword is regenerative medicine, which includes exosomes, stem cells, and many other procedures. We are trying to regenerate and repair the damaged cells instead of substituting them with something else. What are exosomes? Exosomes are nanovesicles which carry protein molecules, mRNAs, to help repair and restore damaged cells. They carry instructions, and of course, when added with growth factors to execute these instructions, the results are far better. Stem cells extracted from your own tissue, the mesenchymal stem cells extracted from the fat cells, which eventually lead what is called stromal vascular fraction, which has pericytes containing these stem cells that can differentiate and release cytokines, which are useful in restoring, repairing tissue. So regenerative aesthetics is what is going to change most of the treatment options that's going to be available in future in aesthetic medicine. If you want to understand more about regenerative medicine, or if you have taken any of such procedures like exosome stem cell treatment, leave your comments below. Because when you are spoken about stem cell treatment, but the stem cells are not prepared from your own body, they do not work as stem cells, because if something has to work like a stem cell, it has to be extracted and prepared from your own tissues. A stem cells taken from some other species or plant does not function as stem cells in your body. They all can provide what is the content of the cells. It can be exosomes, it can be growth factors, which are taken from stem cells in other tissues or other species and used in our body. So you need to know the difference between a stem cell and an exosome. But the regenerative medicine is what is going to take a big space in the future of aesthetic healthcare. This is Dr. Jayanti Ravindran from Tamira Plastic Surgery. If you found this video content useful, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. If you have any further concerns regarding any aesthetic procedures, surgical, non-surgical, or any other aesthetic concern, leave your comment below and we will address them in the subsequent videos.